at that. All right, happy Mardi Gras. Welcome back to the Domino 7 show, y'all. Yeah, Zulu. Look at the people dancing. Yeah, look at the people dance out here. You see? All right. All right. Get them a giant or a helicopter flying in the sky too. Yes, indeed, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Woo-hoo! That's right. Another event that I'm gonna do some shouting out here. You see? All right. All right. What else is gonna be up? Oh, another float. Oh, look in the back of the truck. Look in the back of the truck. All right. I haven't raised my voice like this in a while. Uh-oh. Give me some. Give me something. All right. Oh, I don't want that. Right here, right here. Oh. We'll do something down. Let's see what they got. Give me something to glue. Give me something to glue. All right. I'll pick that up. Right here, right here. All right. Here we go. I'll pick that up though. Maybe Sogin. Oh well, what the heck? This one broken. Oh well, I don't care. No more coconuts. All right, all right, all right. All right, what's happening? Welcome to the Domino 7 show. Happy Mardi Gras. Yeah. Everybody having a great time out here. You see? New Orleans Party City. Yeah, New Orleans Party City. Yo, Dakin, New Orleans Party City. You see New Orleans Party City?
That's how we do it, baby.
Party City.
We're in the eye of the storm.
The eye of the Yes, indeed. Yeah. What?
Watch this.
I'm watching it. Come on. Throw me some, okay? Throw Domino 7 something. Throw Domino 7 something! Give me the cup! Give me the cup! All right. Oh, man. All right. I'm about to stop this tape and try to catch something, you understand?